Good morning, students. I welcome you all to my this English class. And children, today I'm going to revise a new lesson with you, which not new because we have already done, but the name of the lesson is the tsunami. Children, if you can see the spelling of tsunami, you can see T is here, Tsunami, but here children, T is silent. So we leave T, and what do we pronounce as? We pronounce as tsunami. Alright. So, but the spelling is start with T. So this is the first thing I think you must all have noticed here. Now children, the tsunami is a lesson that they are is based on a true story. We all know that tsunami came to India. India was also affected by tsunami with few other countries in the world. Okay, so children, here some of the people who were saved, the writer has told them about them, that how the saved, how the other family members they lost their life. So this is all discussed in the lesson tsunami. First of all, what is a tsunami? So tsunami refers to a very large and powerful wave. So what is a tsunami, children? It is a very large and powerful waves in the sea. It is caused by some earthquake under the sea. So children, what is a tsunami? Tsunami refers to a very large and powerful waves. It is caused by some earthquake. Okay, so how it is caused? It is caused by the earthquake, and those earthquakes are under the sea. It is not on land. Okay, so that's why children, tsunami comes from the sea. Why? Because children, the eruption of the earthquakes is there from under the ocean or sea, and there children the process start. One such calamity hit several countries on December 26, 2004. Now children, calamities is the meaning of calamities is a worst situation children due to nature disaster, and children, this calamity came in several other countries also. They were hit by such calamities on December 26, 2004. The worst affected parts were coastal parts in India. Okay, so children, what were the other parts which were affected? They were the coastal part of India. So tsunami refers to a very large and powerful waves in the sea. It is caused by some earthquake under the sea. One such calamity hit several countries on December 26, 2004. The worst affected parts were coastal parts of India. The Andaman and Nicobar Island and Thailand, some 1,50,000 people lost their life. So children, what were the countries which was affected by tsunami? It was children India, okay, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Thailand. So these were some of the places which were affected badly by tsunami. Now children, 1,50,000 people lost their lives, but animals suffered very few casualties. Children, the thing was seen, which was watched and observed by many people, that children, it is a human being, mostly they have lost their life, but very few animals they have lost their life. So this was also again a point for thinking, that why this happened. So many animals were there, birds were there, dogs were there everywhere, equivalent to the children number of human being, but then they died very less in number, and it was the human being who died in a large number. Okay, so how that happened, that was also the point for thinking. So I will be telling you while explaining the lesson. So children, the worst affected parts were which parts in India? They were in coastal parts of India. Then children, Andaman and Nicobar Islands were there, and Thailand. Some 150 to 1,000 people lost their life, but animals suffered very few casualties. Perhaps they had sensed the coming earthquake and they ran to safer high places. Second, The lesson recounts a few stories of bravery and intelligence when the tsunami hit the Andaman. The first ghost story is about Ignatius, the manager of a cooperative society in Kachali. He was woke up by his wife at 6 a.m. Okay. The family rushed out of the house when the earth stopped shaking. The sea started rising. The wave washed away his two children and his in-laws, but his three other children were saved because they were with him. The children, first time in India, children, the first story is about Ignatius, the manager of a cooperative society in Kachali. He was at 6 a.m. His wife woke him and she told him to just look how the waves are rising outside the house. And children, when the earth stopped shaking, the sea started rising. The wave washed away their two children also, their in-laws also. His three other children were saved because they were with them. Now children, then second case was a case of a policeman. Sanjeev was a policeman. He managed to save himself, his wife and daughter from the from the waves. But soon he heard cries for help from the wife of John. The guest house cook, okay, a cook was there. He used to work in guest house. He was not there, but his wife was there, so she was shouting for help. He jumped into the water to rescue her, but both were washed away. Children, he jumped for his wife to save his wife of that cook, but unfortunately, children, not only his wife, but that fellow also, he was washed away. So these are some of the saddest story. Okay. Now, 13-year-old Meghna was carried away along with her parents and 77 other people. Now children, a girl was there, 13 years old Meghna was there. Okay, she was carried away along with her parents and 77 other people were there. They were all were carried by the wave. She held on to a wooden door for 2 days. Now children, a wooden door was also floating, so she caught that door, and with the help of that wooden door, she was floating. She was able to save her life. She floated for 2 days. 11 times the relief helicopter flew overhead, but they could not spot her. Children, 11 times the helicopter also came, but they could not trace her. They could not spot her. However, she was brought to the shore at last by a wave. Now children, she was brought to the shore by a wave. Ahmad Javed was a 10-year-old student of a convent school in Port Blair. Her family had gone to another island to celebrate Christmas. Okay, Alma's father saw the sea waves receding in the morning. They understood that the waves could come back with force. He tried to take his family to a safer place, but her father and grandfather were swept away by a giant wave. Her mother and aunts were washed away. Almas climbed onto a log of wood. She later found herself in a hospital. So children, these things were there. Okay, so I've told you the story of all these people whose family members were drowned. Some were washed away in the waves, some washed away due to save other people's lives. Okay, so these things were seen when tsunami came, and these are all the true stories, true fact which I've been telling you. Now children, then children from Thailand also some stories were shared. Not a story, it's a facts only. There is a story from Thailand. The Smith family was celebrating Christmas at a beach resort. Okay, resort was there on the beach, so they were there and they came there to celebrate Christmas. The parents had 2 daughters. The water kept coming in on 26 December 2004. Now children, the parents, they were along with their 2 daughters, they came to Thailand for celebrating Christmas. So the water kept coming in on 26 December 2004. But little Tilly Smith sensed the danger ahead. Now children, Tilly was their daughter, but she had sensed their danger. Okay, because children, she started when she saw the wave, she started recalling her geography lesson that tsunami could be caused by earthquake, volcanoes and landslides. And she called her family to get out of the beach. She told her family to move as far as out from the beach. Her parents went up to the third floor of the hotel and survived. Thus, her geography lesson saved their lives. So, children see sometimes the verdicts of the teachers, they would also prove fruitful for all the family members. They were able to save their lives. Now, why humans lost their life? Why did domestic animals sense the danger in the time? Elephant ran for higher ground, and the dogs, birds, and zoo animals looked for safer places. Now, children, at the end of the story, I would also like to tell you about the dangers of the wild animals, how they have saved not only wild animal but pet animal also. Okay. Perhaps animal poses a sixth sense. It is written clearly in the book. Maybe they are having sixth sense. Okay, and they feel that tremor long before human realize. So not many animals were reported to be dead. In fact, many animals, they have judged the dangers and they ran to the place of safety, and in this way they have saved their life. At Yala National Park in Sri Lanka, no dead bodies of animals were found while 60 visitors were washed away. So children, we all know that a tsunami, the animals, they can judge, they can smell, or you can say they can judge the danger, and they can run to save their life. So children, this is the background of the story. Now I will be explaining you the story. Okay. So now children, I am going to start the lesson 2 from your book Honeydew, and the name of the lesson is Tsunami. Okay. So look at the map of the Andaman and Nicobar Island given here. So children, you can look in the book, the map is there. These two map is there of Andaman and Nicobar. These are the places where tsunami takes place. Okay. Look at the map of the Andaman and Nicobar Island given here. Now read the sentences below. Rewrite the incorrect one after correcting the mistake. Kachar is an island. It is a part of the Andaman group of islands. Non-Kauri is an island in the Nicobar group. Kachar and Nan-Kauri are more than 100 miles apart. Okay, the Andaman and Nicobar are to the west of India. The Nicobar Island are to the north of the Andaman Island. So this you have to find it out, children. This is for your self attempt. Now I am going to start the lesson from page number 25. Okay, and children, it is, you can see from the picture is given in the book. See the destruction caused by tsunami. A tsunami is a very large and powerful waves caused by earthquake under the sea. Now children, you should underline this sentence and you should know what is a tsunami. So what is a tsunami? A tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by the earthquake under the sea. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and parts of India such as the Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Tamil Nadu coast. Here are some stories of courage and survival. So children, these are some of the true stories of courage and survival are being told here. And a question is asked, did animals sense that a tsunami was coming? Of course children, animals can sense. According to me and according to the facts of this book, we can tell that animals can sense that tsunami was coming. Now children, the first story I am going to begin from page number 25. These stories are all from the Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Archipelago is a group of many islands and the surrounding sea. Lot of islands, when they are there, group of islands are present in the sea. They are known as, children, archipelago. This is a new word. This is a new term you are knowing, and use it in your answer if it comes. So these stories are all from the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Children, you can see the destruction in the picture, how badly it is destroyed. Everything, houses, tree, everything is destroyed here. So Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Kachal. So a place was there, Kachal, and a person was there by the name of Ignatius. And children, he was the manager of a cooperative society. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. So at 6 a.m. his wife, early in the morning, she woke him up because she felt an earthquake. She felt that something, the ground, the land where she was standing, it was trembling. She felt that it was earthquake. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Now children, he was an intelligent person. He took out his TV, put it on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house. The whole family rushed out from the house. When the tremors stopped, tremors children a slight shake, earth tremors. Children, when the earth shake, that is known as tremors. Tremors stopped, they saw the sea rising, and suddenly children, when the earthquake stopped, what did they see? They saw the sea was rising. In the chaos is complete disorder or confusion. Okay. Two of his children caught hold of the hand of their mother, fathers, and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. He never saw them again. His wife was also swept away. So, children, what happened? Two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father, and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. He never saw them again. His wife was also swept away. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. So whole half of the family was lost. They died in the tsunami. Now children, another example is there of Sanjeev. He was a policeman serving in the Kachal island. So he was also there in the Kachal island of the Nicobar group of island. He somehow managed to save himself, his wife and his baby daughter from the waves. But then he heard cries for help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. Sanjeev jumped into the wave to rescue her, but they were both swept away. 13-year-old Meghna was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. Now, Sanjeev was a policeman serving in the Kachal island of the Nicobar group of islands. He somehow managed to save himself, his wife and his baby daughter from the waves. Now children, he was able to save his wife and his baby daughter from the waves of the sea. But then he heard cries for help from the wife of John, and she was the wife of a guest house cook. Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue her. Now children, he also jumped into the water to rescue her, but children, instead of saving her, he himself was washed away in the ocean. Sanjeev jumped into the wave to rescue her, but they were both swept away by the wave. 13-year-old Meghna was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on to a wooden door. 11 times she saw relief helicopter over her. So 11 times children, she had seen relief helicopter over her head, and she was brought to the shore by a wave and was found walking on the seashore in a daze. Alma Javed was 10 years old. She was a student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair, where her father had petrol pump. Her mother Rahila home was non-Cowrie Island. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas. When the tremors came early in the morning, the family was sleeping. So children, they came to celebrate Christmas. Alma's father saw the sea wave water recede. Recede means move back from where it was. Recede wave means to move back where it was. He understood that the water would come rushing back with great force. He woke everyone and tried to rush them to a safer place. So children, they both, Alma's father saw the sea too, and he wanted to recede. He moved back from where he was. He understood that the water would come rushing back with great force. He woke everyone and tried to rush them to a safer place. As they ran, her grandmother was hit on the head with something, and as her grandfather was hit on the head by something, and he fell down. His father rushed to help him. Then came the first giant wave and swept both of them away. Now children, so his grandfather was rushed away. They both were swept away from the wave. Alma's mother and aunt stood clinging to the leaves of a coconut tree, calling out to her. Now children, Alma, mother and aunt, they were clinging to a coconut trees, calling out to her. A wave uprooted the tree, and they were washed away. So children, a wave children came and the whole tree was uprooted and they both were washed away. Alma saw a long of wood floating. She climbed on it, then she fainted. Almost she saw a wood floating. She caught that wood and finally then she fainted. When she woke up, she was in a hospital in Kamortra. When from where she was brought to Port Blair. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. She is still traumatized. Now children, we are on the second part. Okay. Now children, second part are so you can see children, you can see that how the waves were swept away, the whole family, the whole trees were swept away by the waves. So now children, we will be doing the MCRT textbook question and answer. So you have to tell children whether the statements are true and false. So Ignatius lost his wife, 2 children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. Well, this is quite true. Then the next is Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. No, false, because Sanjeev wanted to save the wife of the cook of the guest house, and with her the large wave swept both of them to the ocean. Magna was saved by relief helicopter. False. 11 times she has called for she saw the relief helicopter, but then they were not able to see her. So this statement is also false. Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. So this is quite true. He has realized, but then still some of the family members lost their lives. Her mother and aunts were washed away with a tree that they were holding onto it. So the parents, the mother and the aunt, they hold the coconut tree. They called Alma. By the time the tree was uprooted, and they also were washed away. Now children, the question and answer. Why did Tilly family came to Thailand? Tilly family had come to Thailand to celebrate Christmas. What were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? Both saw the sea rising, and it started to foam and form whirlpool and bubbles. Okay. So both saw the sea rising, and it started to foam and form whirlpools and bubbles. What is the meaning of whirlpool? The circular motion of the river is a whirlpool. Do you think Tilly mother was alarmed by them? No, Tilly mother was not alarmed by them. Where had Tilly seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion? Tilly had seen the strange sea behavior in a video, and through that video which she had seen in the classroom, she was able to save the life of her family. She knew that these are the waves of tsunami. So her geography lesson has saved their life. Now, where did Smith family and the other on the beach go to escape from the tsunami? The Smith family and the others on the beach went to escape from the tsunami. They went to the 3rd floor of the hotel where they were staying. Now, how do you think her geography teacher felt when he heard about what Tilly had done in Phuket? She felt very pleased and satisfied. So, her teacher was very much pleased and she was very much satisfied. Okay. When she came to know that due to that lesson their life was saved. In the tsunami, 1,50,000 people died. How many animals died? Very few animals children died. How many people and animals died in Yala National Park? 60 visitors and 2 animals died in Yala National Park. Okay. What did the dogs in Gali do? The dogs in yes, children. Then what do people say about the elephant of Yala National Park? The children, the elephant ran from the beach an hour before the tsunami hit the coast. Then children, what did the dogs in Galley do? The dogs in Galley refused to go to the beach for their daily exercise. So children, these are the things. Now, then children, we are having working with text. Okay. When he felt the earthquake, do you think Ignatius immediately worried about a tsunami? Give reason for your answer. While sentence in the text tells you that the Ignatius family did not have any time to discuss and plan their course of action after the tsunami struck. No, Ignatius did not think about the tsunami. He thought that it was just an earthquake, so he took the television off the table and put it on the ground. His family did not have time to discuss and plan their course of action. The following sentence tells about the chaos and confusion. Two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother, father, and mother's brother and rushed to the opposite direction. Now, which word in the list below describes Sanjeev in your opinion? Children, of course, he was brave, he was heroic, and he was selfless. Why selfless? Because he did not care for his own life, rather he cared for the wife of his friend, the guest house cook, and in that saving her, he had lost his life also. Okay, now how are Meghna and Alma's stories similar? Meghna's and Alma's both were lucky. Meghna's was carried away with her parents and other people, but she alone survived. She was also washed ashore by a wave. Alma's climbed onto a log of wood. When she opened her eyes, she found herself in a hospital in Camorta. So children, these are some of the things which we have to view. Some of the people were lucky, also some of the people were not lucky. What are the different ways in which Tilly parents could have reacted to her behavior? What would you have done if you were in their place? So, Tilly foresaw the danger of tsunami at once. She became hysterical. Her parents did not ignore her. They were assured that something wrong must be going to happen. So they all left the beach and were saved. If I were in place of Tilly parents, I might not have believed her. I might have scolded her for making a nonsense situation. Okay, so children, these are some of the things. Now, if Tilly award was to be shared, who do you think she would share it with, her parents or her geography teacher? Now, she would have shared with her geography teacher. Her parents could not guess the tsunami was coming. Okay, so children, I was teaching you here. So we have discussed the comprehension, first comprehension check. Now children, I am going to start reading that about Tilly and Smitha. These two were lucky. Okay, Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck because she was aware that what is tsunami. This was told to her by her geography teacher. So when the tsunami struck Phuket beach in Thailand, she was in Thailand, children. She came there to celebrate Christmas. Though she has won a number of awards, her parents have not allowed their daughter to be interviewed on television. Okay, and made into a heroine. The parents were great parents. They did not want that their child, the girl, should become famous. They did not let that when the TV people came to take her interview, the parents had refused. Okay, why do you think they took this decision? So now children, here is a story from Thailand that we discuss. It's a nice story in which both were saved. The Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in southern Thailand. So children, in southern Thailand, there was a beach resort where this whole family came to celebrate Christmas. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. She was only 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7-year-old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. So children, both the parents, they came there to celebrate the Christmas on Thailand. Now children, remember the date on 26 December 2004. Okay, it was 26 December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake off northern Sumatra earlier that morning. Triggered children caused or it described a sudden violent reaction here an undersea earthquake. Now children here triggered means an earthquake, an undersea earthquake. The water was swelling and so children she had seen the earthquake and in this way she had remembered the wordings of a geography lesson teacher and she remembered the videos which she had seen which had saved her life. So children, rest of the video I will be continued in my next video. The lesson will be continued. Thank you and have a nice day for today. Have a nice day and children, do study hard for your examination.